Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you again only 2 rows repeating triangle shawl, or you can use it as a cowl. I made a sample for this pattern, only 2 rows repeating, 1 row fill with triples, 1 row prepare its V stitch. It's so simple. I use multicolor yarn and it's King Cole Riot double knitting. One ball is 100 grams and it's 30% of wool, 70% of premium acrylic. One ball is 100 grams and it's equal to 324 yards, 294 meters. And it's color number, I don't know its color number. I lost its label. This is the another color of this quality, and I use 4mm hook for that sample. If you want to make a big triangle shawl, you need your big width side is minimum 160 centimeter. If you want to use as a cowl, you need minimum 120 centimeter. That's a little information. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful only 2 rows repeating triangle shawl. Let's start crochet. I start my pattern with slip knot. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make 7 chains, yarn over twice, turn back and insert into the first stitch and make here triple, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 2 or 3, yarn over twice, insert into the same stitch and make here one more triple, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. I have 2 big bags, 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains, and turn your work. Yarn over twice, insert into the first space. Make here 7 triple, pull through 2, pull through 2, 1, 2, yarn over twice, 3, yarn over twice, 4, yarn over twice, 5, yarn over twice, 6, yarn over twice, 7. I made 7 triple in first space. If my video comes so fast, you can drop my video speed. Okay, in here 3 dots on the right of screen. Yarn over twice and insert my hook the middle triple stop and make here 1 more triple. Then yarn over twice and make 7 triple in the second space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We start with chain 4 here, so we finish our row with triple on the last stitch. Pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 chains. Turn your work. Now we increasing row. You will always repeat these 2 rows. Yarn over twice, insert into the same stitch and make here triple. You make your first increasing V. Chain 1, yarn over twice, skip 2 stitch, insert into the third one and make triple. Yarn over twice, insert into the next one, make triple. Yarn over twice, insert into the next one and make triple. We make 3 triple. Chain 1, yarn over twice, skip 2 and come to middle triple. Insert here and make your center increases. Make triple, 1 2 3 chains, yarn over twice, insert into the same stitch and make treble. 1 2 3 chains, yarn over twice, insert into the same center stitch, make one more treble. So I make here 2 increasing V. Chain 1, yarn over twice, skip 2, insert into the next one, make here treble. Yarn over twice, insert into the next one and make treble. Yarn over twice and insert into the next one, make treble. I made here 3 treble again. Chain 1, yarn over twice, skip 2 and come to my last treble stop and make my last increasing V. Treble, chain 3, yarn over twice, insert into the same stitch and make treble. So I made 1 increasing V from the beginning, from the center and from the last stitch. 1 2 3 4 chains and turn, count as my first treble. Then I see here chain 3 space and make here 7 treble. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Chain 1, yarn over twice, come to, we made here 3 treble, come to second stop and make here 1 treble. Chain 1, yarn over, come to first chain 3 space on the center and make here 7 treble. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Yarn over twice, come to middle treble stop and make here treble. Yarn over twice and we have here second chain 3 space, make 7 treble again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Chain 1, we have here 3 treble, yarn over twice, skip the first one, insert into the second stop and make here treble. Chain 1, yarn over twice, come to last chain 3 space. When you see chain 3 space, you fill it with 7 treble. 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Don't forget, you start with chain 4 as first treble, so yarn over twice and insert the last stitch and finish with treble. Now we repeat the second row. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and turn your work. Then yarn over twice and insert into the same stitch and make here treble. Make your first V. Chain 1, yarn over twice, skip 2, insert into third one and make treble. Yarn over twice, next one, make treble. Yarn over twice, insert next one, make treble. We made 7 treble previous row, skip the first 2, make 3 treble, skip last 2. Chain 1 and we have here 1 treble. Yarn over twice, insert the top of that 1 treble and make here treble, chain 3 and make 1 more treble and make your prepare your next 7 triples place. Chain 1, yarn over twice, skip 2, and start from the third one and make 3 triple. 1, next one, 2, next one, 3. You come to center, don't forget, chain 1, yarn over twice, skip 2, third one is the center stitch, and make here triple, chain 3, make 1 more triple in the same stitch, chain 3, and make 1 more triple in the same stitch, chain 1, yarn over twice, skip 2, start from the third one, 1, yarn over twice, next one, 2, yarn over twice, next one, 3. Chain 1, yarn over twice, skip 2, come to 1 triple stop and make here V stitch, triple, chain 3, yarn over twice, insert into the same and make 1 more triple, chain 1, yarn over twice, skip 2, start from the third one, 1, next one, 2, next one, 3. Chain 1, yarn over twice, skip 2, come to last stitch, insert here and make your last increasing V, double, triple, chain 2, chain 3, sorry, yarn over twice and insert into the same and make 1 more triple. Always you will repeat these 2 rows. We prepare the V stitch, then 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, count as my first triple, turn and make here, I see here chain 3 space and make here 7 triple, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Chain 1 and I see here 3 triple, yarn over twice, skip the first one, insert into the second and make 1 triple. Next row we made a V stitch on this 1 triple, chain 1, yarn over twice, come to next space and make 7 triple, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Chain 1, yarn over twice, skip the first one, insert into the second and make 1 triple. Next row you will make V stitch on that triple, chain 1 and come to center. I fill with 7 triple on the first V, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Come to center triple and make a triple. Next row you will make on this triple, triple, chain 3, triple, chain 3, triple. You will make 3 triple between of them, chain 3. You will always repeat this third and the fourth row. After that row, when you make here 7 triple, chain 1, 1 triple, 7 triple, chain 1, 1 triple, chain 1, 7 triple and finish with triple. When you finish this row, you will turn back, chain 6 and make your first V on the first stitch, then skip 2, make 3 triple, then chain 1 and come here and make V stitch, chain 1, skip 2, start from the third and make 3 triple, chain 1 and come here, make a V, chain 1, skip 2, start from the third one, 1, 2, 3 triple. When you come to the center, you will again make triple, chain 3, triple, chain 3, triple on that center and do the same thing which you do here you will make this side. I will make it more bigger and turn to you. I make my shawl a little bigger. It comes beautiful when you make it bigger and bigger. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.